Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a Morgan Plus 4 that we've upgraded with a Bluetooth single DIN radio upgrade that also features Bluetooth streaming, hands-free, CD and much more. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So this car has actually been picked up and collected by ourselves from a local storage company, and now it's been upgraded with a new head unit. Customers, after gaining a little bit more functionality but didn't want something too obtrusive, gone for a single DIN unit, gone into an existing location that was already pre-made. Customer already had speakers already installed, and all we've done is upgraded the dated radio with something a bit more modern. What we've gone for is a Kenwood unit that features USB, auxiliary, CD, but also Bluetooth streaming for hands-free and also music streaming. So now the customer can enjoy the lovely vehicle while on the road listening to his own music through the new sound system. If you are interested in something like this, obviously on these Morgans we can do an immense amount of different options, whether it's full custom sound systems with a bit more bass or adding in more speakers into the vehicle, but also fully amplified systems as well on these vehicles. So there's a hell of a lot we can do to get these sounding amazing. So if you do own one of these, looking for an upgraded sound system, you know exactly what to do. Just drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. Make sure you book an audio consultation, come by and see us, and I'll design, spec and then install your new sound system. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel, but also comment below on what else you want to see on our YouTube videos. Bear in mind, guys, we are posting a video every single day on YouTube. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.